are the right side of 50, my friends, and today we are talking about what to pack for those long weekend getaways, okay? So, weather's changing, everything's great, we want to get out and enjoy it with friends and family, whether it's a girls getaway, a mother-daughter trip, or a little something away with your significant other, whatever it might be. Burning question, what do I bring? What do I pack for that trip? We are going to start with this fun little outfit here, ready. I mean, this is a one and done in for your day, okay? It's a great little sweater tank. Sweater tanks are a must for this summer season. This is a very loose weave. It's by Ever Eve, our house brand. Great little shoulder bearing here, which I totally love. Let those shoulders out, get some sun on those shoulders. This is I would say this fits true to size. So it does run a little bit longer, which is nice. So those of you that like to wear it out, you certainly can. That's a little more casual look. I tucked it into this great pair of shorts from Z Supply. This beautiful kind of sagey green color, which I'm loving right now. They have these great little pockets on the side, fun little belt loops here so you can pull out those belts, which I love this little belt. There's a little bit of gold detailing on there, and that gold detailing we tie in head to toe, whether it's these great little earrings I'm wearing here with, again, that little darker green in that going with the shorts, the gold in the bracelet, which makes it really fun. Look at that. I mean, those fun little natural stones. Or the gold detailing that is in my sandals by Dolce Vita. These great little suede open toe clogs with these gold grommets. This is a romper that you can take from day into night. So let me share with you all the things about this great little piece from Sanctuary. First of all, we know the detailing of Sanctuary. We know the priority that they make in all the fun little details, so I'm going to show you some of them on this. First of all, this great little mandarin collar, which is so fun. I like to wear it open just a little bit, but if you are a little more conservative, you can kind of wear it up a little. There is this great little puckered puff sleeve, detailing of a button here, buttons on the pockets, buttoning all the way down, even the buttons on the little patch pockets here, which I really love. And this great little belt. I love a belt on a romper because number one, it kind of gives me a waist, okay? So you can wear it as tight or as loose as you want to. So I'm gonna share with you one way to knot it. This is a fun little belt. This is my favorite way to do it, okay? So start with just as if you would typically, as if you were gonna just tie your shoe, right? Okay, so that first little knot or first little tie, then you make one little rabbit ear, and then take the second tail and just pull it all the way through. It's almost just like a little bow and a present, okay? So yeah, again, you can wear it as tight or as loose as you want. I think some people too think, well, I'm not a small-waisted person, I can't wear a belt. That's actually not true. If you're more of a rectangular shape and you want to define your waist, adding a belt is gonna add some shape there, and it is gonna give you more of that little hourglass look if that's what you're looking for, okay? Another option that you can do with the belt is, do you remember the belt that we packed in our bag from the last outfit? We're gonna pull that out because that is an easy way to simply remove the belt that it comes with, and you can add this little belt on just like that. This belt, from the last outfit, works so great with this, and it matches the fun shoes that I'm wearing. These great little lace-up gladiator sandals. You guys have seen me wear these before because they are a throw in your bag and go with all of the things. I picked for this outfit this great little Think Royland bag. Okay, Think Royland, they're so great because they can go from sporty to night really easily. Okay, so first of all, great little detailing on the bag. We've got some zippers here, a fun little latch here. Each bag comes with multiple straps, okay? So you can remove this more like utility strap, and inside is a fun little chain. You're heading to either like cocktails on the patio at your hotel, or you're checking out a fun little restaurant, you're ready to go, and that little chain just elevates the whole thing from head to toe, okay? Of course, for jewelry, I always have to add that a little bit. I've got a little triple stack here that has some fun little, there's gold beads, but there's also some little, almost like a coral bead that works really well with what we have going on as the stone color in the romper. And then also this little tiered necklace. How great is this? And again, this tiered necklace, it looks like two, but it's one necklace, which is so great. And it has a little bit of a rust stone in here, and then also some more little coral bead right on there. And then just some basic gold hoops, and you are out the door. Maybe your long weekend involves a walk along a river, some other outdoor activities. Maybe you're going to an arboretum or a walk in a botanical garden, and you need to look great and be comfy, okay? This is the look for you. So let's start with what I have wearing on what I'm wearing on the top. First of all, underneath I have this great Michael Stars tanks. You know Michael Stars, he does tanks like to the nth degree, so great. This one is detailed with these fun, tiny, tiny little buttons in the front. So a little more elevated than your basic tank. And it's a nice V-neck, okay, not too low, and very bra friendly, okay? So as you're moving around doing your outdoor activities, everything's gonna stay as it should be and you're gonna look finished. Topped it off again with Michael Stars. He's got this great wrap. I mean, look at this. Very almost like a gauzy, I would say, fabrication. This wrap actually has a sleeve to it, which I love because then the wrap stays on. It's not, as you're moving around, doesn't drop off your shoulder or falling down your back. These are by Agledy, and this is the crisscross short, okay? So can you see, this looks almost like an optical illusion. Distressing on the bottom, a little distressing on the pockets. No detail is missed. This is what I'm obsessed with right now. It's these great little shoes, little slide-on sandal, I would say, from Arizona Love, okay? This brand is amazing. First of all, incredibly comfortable. Slide on, it just Velcros right onto your foot, so easy on, easy off. It doesn't matter if you have narrow feet, wider feet, if you're dealing with bunions, whatever. They just strap on right around all the things, okay? This is a sustainable brand that uses recycled fabrics. Did a fun little anklet, doesn't that scream summer, right? And vacation, okay? Another thing you cannot forget when you are vacationing, of course, is sunglasses. So, great little pair that I picked for this outfitting. These are by LeSpec. We know and trust them. They've got these little polarized sunglasses. I mean, look at that. These are gonna go with anything. So pop those in your Think Royland bag, put them on with any outfit, and you're ready for your weekend. As you put all these parts together, you can crisscross and mix and match them. Even that sweater we started with, you could throw underneath this if you needed. So many options, okay? So you want your suitcase full of options, so you are ready to do all the activities that you want to look great for, okay? Thank you so much for joining us in the long weekend. Wish I was traveling with each one of you as you head out. And as you put your outfits together, I would love for you to post that on social media, tag us in it. We would love to see what you're doing and what you're wearing so that we can inspire others. We'll see you next time.